Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI, and I can't wait to tell you about this dog bed from KSIIA. Clearly, my dogs both love it, and yours will too. Let me tell you why.
From the moment that we put this dog bed in the crate, both of our puppies loved it. Our little one thinks it's the best thing to dig in because it's so soft and fluffy, whereas our big girl loves it because the size is perfect for her. It is a great size if you have a large dog crate. I highly recommend measuring it because I bet you it will fit perfectly in your crate. Now, I think that the soft factor on this is probably my favorite part. It is like so dreamy. I love it so much. And the bottom has this non-stick backing, so it's not going to slip around in the crate or on the floor. I love that you can machine wash the whole thing and throw it right back in the crate or on the floor and it's ready to use. This is after it's machine washed and it's still so soft. I think it's hilarious because our dogs actually fight over this bed. They love it so much that they figured out they have to share it if they want to sleep on this dog bed together.
If you're looking for a dog bed that your dogs are gonna love at a great price point that will fit your crate perfectly, this is it. But that's just my point of view.